Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the forecast discussion for August 9th, 2014. It's currently 11:55 a.m., so I could almost say afternoon. We're getting close. So what do we have in place today? Well, we have temperatures in the lower to mid 70s over the northern interior and upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast. Another beautiful weekend is on the way with high pressure in control and winds from the northwest at around 5 miles per hour. So overall, pleasant weather conditions are in place with dew points in the mid 50s. So yeah, it feels pretty nice out there. Now, temperatures say will peak in the lower to mid 80s away from the coast, upper 70s to lower 80s right along the coast. So pretty much where you are right now in Belmar is pretty much where you're going to end up, maybe get up to 80, 81 with that wind coming right off the Atlantic Ocean. But overall, high pressure's in control, and that means very comfortable weather conditions. Now, when we take a look at the radar, notice all the rain down here. Now, what's happening is that we have high pressure up here, locked in around Syracuse, and it's forcing all this rainfall to the south over Virginia, North Carolina, and South Carolina, where they're going to end up with over 2 inches of rain easily in those locations. Very ugly weekend down there, but for us, high and dry and beautiful. You can see it even more abruptly on the infrared satellite picture. High pressure again, locked in, 1024, pretty strong for this time of year. And as a result, that high pressure with the dry air is locking in that rainfall well to the south of us, and we are in a very comfortable, tranquil weather pattern with clear skies for the most part throughout the region. This low pressure system and a disturbance up in Canada will have to be watched because that disturbance, when we take a look at the water vapor, is just starting to get into the northern plains right now. It's right here. What's going to happen is that this disturbance will start to pick up all this moisture and drive it into the northern mid-Atlantic by about Tuesday night. And Tuesday night into Wednesday morning is going to be, well, quite frankly, rather ugly, with very heavy rainfall throughout the region. But up to that point, absolutely beautiful, with temperatures near to below normal, low humidity, clear skies. Can't ask for better weather for this weekend. So let's take a look at the latest model guidance using the European model guidance. Again, for today, high pressure and control. Same thing for tomorrow. Temperatures will range from the lower to mid 50s over the interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast for lows. High temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s along the immediate coast and in Long Island, lower to mid 80s everywhere else. On Monday, clouds will start to increase, but for the most part, we remain dry with high pressure in place. Notice the high pressure system, though, is now off the coast, basically locked in around the Canadian Maritimes. So we start getting more of an easterly wind. Clouds will start to increase, but for the most part, sky cloud cover expected. Temperatures will range from the upper 50s to lower 60s over the interior and lower to mid 60s along the coast for lows, lower to mid 80s for everyone. Then on Tuesday, those clouds really start to increase, and on Tuesday night, we'd start to get basically an area of moderate to heavy rain lifting northeast towards the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. So in the morning, scattered cloud cover with clouds increasing to overcast cloud cover by the afternoon. Temperatures will start out in the lower to mid 60s throughout the entire region. High temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s because we still have that easterly wind with that marine air mass in place. Tuesday night into Wednesday, very heavy rainfall, looking at anywhere from 1 to 2 inches of rain throughout the region. And there could be a few localized spots of up to 3 inches, mostly due to some heavy downpours and embedded thunderstorms. No severe weather expected, but there is a threat for some localized flash flooding. So by Wednesday morning, we have very heavy rainfall moving through. The Wednesday morning rush hour is going to be ugly. Temperatures are going to be in the mid to upper 60s with winds basically backing from the southeast to the southwest and then finally the northwest as that low pressure system that develops over Long Island starts to lift up towards New England. Now the good news is that by Wednesday afternoon, skies will start to clear, so the Wednesday evening rush hour will actually be much better with scattered cloud cover, crashing humidity. Temperatures will range from the lower to mid 80s throughout the region. However, if we get that cold front that is going to be locked in from basically the Hudson River Valley through Long Island, if it stays stationary, that's the backdoor cold front, then you end up with temperatures more in the mid 70s with periods of heavy rain than the lower to mid 80s. So we're going to watch out for Wednesday afternoon. That might be a little bit of a volatile temperature regime setting up with warmer conditions towards Pennsylvania and rather cool conditions right along the coast. Regardless, high pressure will be in control for Thursday and Friday. Now, we have that upper level low sitting up here around the St. Lawrence River Valley. So locations like the Hudson River Valley, Connecticut, northeastern Pennsylvania could be dodging a few isolated showers, but most locations will remain dry with scattered cloud cover expected, much lower humidity, with low temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s for lows and high temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s for highs. So pretty much averaging near to slightly below normal for this time of year. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Steven DiMartino. Follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and LinkedIn. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.